This year, during monsoon, I was just sitting idle at home, and then something struck in my mind. Why don't I travel to Upper Meghalaya, visiting some beautiful natural sites? While traveling towards Joai, which is about 160 km from Guwahati city, I was so mesmerized by the beauty which appears to me on both sides of the road, and I can't even resist myself from taking those beautiful shots.
Hey guys, today I'm here in Krangshuri Waterfalls, which is situated in Meghalaya Jaintia Hills. This is a huge waterfall and it is very beautiful, which is behind me down there. And let's see some views from here. It's raining here in Krangshuri, but still I will try to take some good shots so that I can show you how it looks like. Droplets of water. Hey guys, now I'm going downstairs to see the waterfalls very nicely.
The touch of cold water, the mix of foggy and rainy weather was enough to give me some relaxation from the busy schedule of my life.
guys, after having some beautiful shots in Krangshuri Waterfalls, now I'm going back to the upstairs.
After spending some beautiful moment in Krangshuri, we returned towards our home through Shillong, taking some beautiful memories. Before reaching Shillong, we stopped again somewhere between Doki and Cherrapunji to capture some incredible views. So this was my journey towards Upper Meghalaya. Hope you enjoyed it.